Hello, my name is Alexander and I will show you how to repair a water cooler yourself. Here is a water cooler that is defective, will not cool the water. On the other side of the water cooler we see two switches, one for cold water and other for hot water. We turn the water cooler and remove the lid from the other side. We can see that the power is off. We will unscrew the screws and open the back. From the inside we can see two separate lines, one for water heating. We see that it has heaters and thermostat, and the other side is for water cooling, and we see electronics that provide water cooling. Now we will separate these electronics. We unscrew the screws, and when we do, we can look at the electronics inside. We see a warning that there may be an electric shock, which is why I was wearing a rubber gloves. We see that electronic looks just fine. What we see further is that this heat sink is not well attached and does not provide good contact. As a result, cannot absorb enough heat, and therefore the cooling is weaker. We will now separate the heat sink. We can see that the heat sink is connected using the thermal paste to make the connect as good as possible and to keep the temperature exchange as good as possible. We will remove the old thermal paste using the cotton cloth and alcohol. We have removed all the old thermal paste, and now we will apply a new thermal paste. We have this small pack of thermal paste, but it will be enough. Carefully apply the thermal paste and spread it over the surface. We apply the thermal paste, and now we are returning heatsink. Gradually tighten the top and bottom screws to ensure that the thermal paste is distributed as well as possible. Now we return the electronics and the back cover. When we are done, we will try to out our water cooler and see that it works as expected. The water is now satisfactorily cold.